come back today to Ashridge Estate, where I'm going to try and do some macro photography with my new lens. I've never done it before, so this will be the first time. I will put some pictures up in the video just to see how they come out. I know they're not going to be perfect, but we'll give it a try. Going to try and do a photograph of this bluebell with my macro lens. The camera settings are 1/160th of a second. Aperture is 3.2. Here's some pictures I've taken with the macro lens. Well, that was my first attempt at doing some macro photography, taking some pictures of some bluebells and the end of a fern. I know I need lots more practice, so I'm going to carry on looking around the woods and try and take some more pictures, and I hope you enjoy them. Just going to try and do a photo of this, I think it's wild garlic, so it does smell a bit around here, and it ain't coming from me. Let me know in a comment what you think of the photo. Well, I'm going to end my video here now in Ashridge Estate in this lovely forest. Hope you enjoyed some of the macro pictures I've taken, and I know I need to practice more on it, and next time I'll come here and come in a better light early in the morning. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to see any more videos of mine, hit the subscribe button, and thanks again for watching. Till next time.